Hello everyone, this is Unafraid Python. Today I will be reacting to something very close to my heart. Extreme Cheapskates. This is one.
I'm not a cheapskate.
Oh, yes,
I just like to save, so that I can later buy bigger stuff.
Your mother told me you would save up all your lunch money.
Yes, to buy all the stickers I wanted.
Let's do this shit. Stop playing the goddamn guitar!
How do you think I bought this guitar?
You should have eaten! Let's go. She cooks lasagna in the dishwasher. This is the most curiosity more than anything else. What the fuck is that?
I learned how to conserve my detergent by my method at work.
She's a scientist.
I knew it. It would. I know that he's going to.
She's very methodic.
He's going to defend this woman.
I collect lint from the dryer, first off because it's clean. Secondly, I don't have to buy cotton swabs. My nail polish, my makeup.
Oh no, not the makeup, not on the face! I was like, okay, she's really cheap doing that on the on the nails. No! And then she was cleaning that shit from the nails and I'm like, okay, she's cheap, but whatever.
It
on
came
the
from
face.
the washing machine. Everything is cleansed.
Just as if a cotton swab would.
Don't start.
I am
wait,
not worried about.
please, don't start taking notes from this girl. Don't.
We would be able to buy even more stickers, Anna.
Fuck.
Imagine.
Oh, that's probably a pubic hair that she just took out.
She could save the pubics, the pubes, for later lighting up the fireplace. Very good kindle.
Well,
One light bulb that she moves from room to room. She saves more than
guess the light bulb from one room to
No,
another.
that's not very intelligent. And I'll tell you why. Because it takes calories to remove one bulb and place it on the other room. And calories are not cheap. You need to eat in order to get calories.
Especially for you. God damn it.
She doesn't want to spend nothing. It's just
He has
ridiculous.
such a nice
But
voice.
I do it because I love Stephanie, so
He does it for
In
her.
our house, we have what we call Navy showers.
Relationship
I'm
goals.
not allowed to take long
What?
showers.
Relationship goals.
Cut the water off.
He makes me do this.
Because we have those shits. That shit's called the thermo accumulator.
Yeah, it doesn't hold that much
Yeah, 50 liters. For the both of us.
water. Whatever. You would wait 30 minutes for me to do it instead of dividing that shit.
You're lucky, Anna. Because one of these days, I'll make you stand. Not stand. Lie down on the tub while I take a shower.
I have the remaining water. Oh, you
It'll
disgusting
be good
piece of
enough
shit.
for you,
God,
bitch.
I'm taking proposals on the comments. Someone else wants me instead of you. God
I
damn.
don't really get to watch my full body.
To keep her water bill down,
Has a baby
Stephanie
monitor.
found a way to make sure Patrick sticks to
He
a
has a
2-minute
baby
shower.
monitor to control it.
Right now, Patrick!
Hey, what you doing?
This is my reusable boiling water. Yes, I know it may be a little.
Oh, you're gonna puke. We're really picky with food, like hygiene with foods and stuff.
Are out of there.
Like, for example, the fruit salad. I can't eat that because other people are you know, handling the fruits with their hands. I don't like it. I know it's stupid because with the other food it's the same shit, but I don't know. I can't.
Gotta stop watching it then.
Only Gus, if Gus does me a fruit salad, I would eat it. But I think it's the only person I would.
How do we say in Portugal?
What?
Eyes that don't see, heart that doesn't
Doesn't
feel.
feel. Yeah, we say that a lot.
But I don't really care.
Look at that.
This is
nasty.
my reusable boiling water.
That's so nasty.
From the
Yes,
toilet?
I know it may be a little chunky, but it saves me from spending more money on my water bill by cutting on the water and putting more.
Dude, I'm almost puking.
I gotta agree. That's a bit too much. That's the first.
Ah, shit. Oh,
I promise I'll never use the toilet water.
I'm really sick, man. Oh. It's like imagining the. Wait.
You want a bucket? Then put it.
The white stuff.
Put
God, I'm almost puking.
it then. Put it.
I don't want it.
I'm gonna reuse your puke to feed the cats.
Doing it all over again, so that saves my water.
Oh, God.
Lunchtime. Come on,
Yes, I'm almost puking.
Do you want a bucket?
Ooh.
Do you want the
Did you
big-
see the white shit on the pasta, man?
It was pasta.
Oh.
Not pasta. It was pasta.
I wouldn't. I couldn't take it. That man is a goddamn angel. I must love her so much. She must be wild, you know?
Oh, yeah.
That's joking, Lisa. Okay.
It's
Good.
now.
Just don't show me that fucking water again.
When are you gonna change that water?
I'll change it in due time. Just don't rush me, because the more you ask me that, the longer I have to keep it. Is it good? It is?
Oh, poor
You gonna eat
kids.
all your
Poor
food?
kids, man.
Well, whatever you
Honestly.
don't, I'm gonna say.
Don't have kids. Jeez.
By reusing.
I can't with this woman. Oh, I'm gonna puke. This is so disgusting. I
She
couldn't-
wants them stickers bad.
Oh God. She's refilling.
If it doesn't get all drunk up, I pour it back. If it doesn't get all slopped up, I put it back in its container.
Still, the boiling water for me, it was the worst.
Yeah.
It was the worst.
For the
This
first
is
time.
disgusting. They probably do this shit in restaurants though, but we don't know.
Save this
Eyes that don't see.
Heart that doesn't feel.
With a strict monthly food budget of $400,
No, she's
there's
cleaning
no
with
room
that.
in Stephanie's world for
Piss on them. It helps.
She infects that shit. Why?
Like Bear Grylls. Bear Grylls.
Why doesn't she get second-handed and like forks and knives without being plastic? And then with hot water? I can't. I don't understand. Like
Expensive.
it's too much.
feel very uncomfortable hosting a football party at our house, but I love Patrick.
Stop
Good.
loving him then.
Good.
But she has. It's not a beautiful nails though.
Because she saved on everything else. See?
Look, I save our nails. I do them myself, but maybe she does that. I don't know. But still,
it's just
money.
logic.
It's just like yeah.
When I buy fruits and vegetables, I want to pay for what I eat, not for what I
Can
don't
she
eat.
do?
There's no need to pay for the vine if all
Can
I'm eating is a
she, how do
grape.
you say?
What? Peel
Why
them?
doesn't she peel them?
Yeah, why doesn't she peel them? The woman, yeah, what the fuck?
Hello, I'm Richard Branson.
Oh,
and
look,
welcome to Spaceport
the
America
dick
in Mexico,
measuring
the world's
dudes with all the
first
other
commercial
dick
space.
measuring dudes.
That'll do me justice. I'm not going to
Oh,
eat
she's doing what you said!
I eat the banana itself.
I'm so inventive.
By
Anna.
removing the peels,
See?
pits, and stems from fruits
can't
and
do
vegetables
that.
before they're weighed at the
We
register,
would be thrown out if
Stephanie
we did
saves
that.
up to $3 per shopping trip.
Whoa.
I have never.
America is the land of the free. You couldn't do
Wait,
that shit
let me give
here.
her another idea.
Oh no, what?
Put that shit on a liquefier. Separate the liquids. The water is very heavy.
Yeah, why
And
the
then
fuck
she'll
not?
pay less.
Dehydrate that shit
Yeah,
and then
dehydrate that
measure it.
shit good.
Take the dehydrator, that little machine,
Yeah.
plug it on the store so that the electricity is paid by them.
Never seen anyone peel bananas and put them in a basket. That is weird.
I'm going to be making a lasagna.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm going to need some ground beef. By any chance, if you have any other ground beef that's already left over.
No true meat market would ever do that.
Can I see what your beef fat looks like?
Sure, I'll be right back.
All right.
Excuse me a second.
Thank you. Wow, and how much would 2 pounds of...
She could mix it with bread.
And don't supermarkets and restaurants have the closing hour where
The closing hour, and she can get to the pre-made meals.
near the trash cans.
Yeah,
Should be
go
waiting
get-
near the trash can.
There's actually an app now that it's not that nasty though, but it's like products like pastries and stuff like that. That's from that day. That at the end of the day it would be
They're still
going.
delicious.
Yeah, they're still good. They would be going to trash. You would pay like 1/3 of the price with that app, and you'll see at what hours you should go there and stuff like that.
See it.
So she could do that.
You're entering the cheapskate method. You're almost
No,
there.
but not with the water though. Not with the water.
I have my ground beef over here. I'm going to stretch out the beef by adding the rest of this or
that
whatever's
same
left
water?
from this
What's
to
that?
stretch it out for the
It's the
lasagna.
same water.
That's the same water but with fat now.
Doesn't fat have 9 times more calories than everything else?
Yep.
Very intelligent.
This is why we save the sauce.
Ah, that's why she saved the sauce for the friends.
With the
The
dishwasher
title.
reaching a temperature of 170 degrees, the lasagna will be fully cooked in 1.5 hours without using the additional gas of an oven.
Isn't it soggy?
Those might put these dishes in here.
It's not. Everything is dirty and she's
So
cleaning that.
inventive. Wow.
Stop it, guys. Stop.
Do they know?
I don't know.
That's the question. They should do this.
I thought the walking
football
around with
meetings.
What?
Next time they should do these football meetings near a store with a television.
Yeah, they have all the televisions
Grab all the
light up
benches and chairs, line up that shit
Yeah,
outside.
and take the lasagna made from the
They're
dishwasher.
missing these key points. from
Little
mine.
key points. You should give her some lessons.
Yeah.
On how to be cheaper. Cheaper. That. How does that mean?
Of course.
Their face.
Perfectly done, Anna.
There was one lasagna going to the dishwasher, guys.
Yeah.
Wasn't there? Tell them.
I tried that shit before.
He can't do 2 things at once. Tell them.
So I dropped my lasagna in the dishwashing machine.
Why?
Because I don't have coordination.
He was going to put something in the dishwasher and he had the lasagna. Instead of going like this, like a normal person, you go like this. Oh. The lasagna
There went the lasagna.
to the dishwasher.
Not because I'm a cheapskate.
No, just because you have no coordination.
W-A-T-E-R, water. Nasty.
I don't care what nobody says. It was the Stephanie way, and the Stephanie way
I'll
is the
live
better
your
way.
life though. I don't have to deal with you, so you live your life. If your man is with you, still, that's love.
I think these people are geniuses.
Yeah.
But they are incomprehended in their generation. It's just that.
Yes, because so are you.
It's like
So are you. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Hopefully, Gus will not take notes from this girl.
too late.
Fuck. If you guys enjoyed this, leave a like, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.